What the fuck? My hair. Anyways, um, for now, for this time, I'm going to only be taking those A plus trades that I am confident in, just to secure that uh, 6, 7, 6, 7. Okay, okay. I'm only going to take A plus trades, so just think about doing that, and it'll be alright. That's right. Some milk. Yeah. We're here. Only draw that I see happening is this. It has started to displace there. Boom, tap that. Early gap. Now it's displacing pretty good. So I'll need a retracement and boom. Entries to get an A plus. This like hell no, not A plus. Hell no. There goes the draw. Got to skip on the 5 minutes after this. Nothing. Next day. Simple. Dimple. Holy moly. Going to eat my food along the way. I don't even know why I'm recording this. I'm literally doing the same stuff that I would do if I didn't record, but I'm just recording it. So yeah, I'm just recording what I'm doing. Like, this is not even content, this is just recording what I do. What the fuck? Is it that content? Well, Willy Wigger, shoot that trigger. Willy Wigger, shoot that trigger. Pull the trigger. Okay. Now I want to cut that part out. But I don't know how to edit. And probably no one will see this, so it's alright. Oops. Kanye West. Oh, oopsie. Now I'm back. Yes. Oh, my food. Pretty good. It's okay. It's alright. We're basically at all-time highs. And what the fuck? We don't have that much structure. This seems like a good high. This also looks like a good high, but I don't think it's that good of a high. Is it in a 4-hour gap? Even though all-time highs are very close and bullishness would be normal, but there's also so much to retrace down. So I will not have this, but I have that one. And then also I have just the next low, and it's a sharp low, so I'll have those. What's the 15-minute doing respecting this guy? 5 minutes. Yeah, alright. 5 minutes has retraced. Now it displays down the first 5-minute candle. Next draw would be here. And I'm really not confident in entering something like this. Even though it's a possible next draw. It is a possible next draw. It has been retraced and there's pretty good displacement and there's a nice break-even point. I think it's an okay trade. There's only that I typically don't take these. Oh yeah, and that's fucking right. I just forgot what I was anyway doing. This is just data gathering. So I think I should take this. I know, right? Fucking hell. I just said I'm going to only take A pluses. But I don't think this is that bad of a one. I will see later if these type of trades lose. Or if they don't. But I think this will be my internal, the first that I will enter. Boom, boom. It hit the, yeah, it hit it. Now break even, although I don't think I should want to be break even already here. If I think about it, wait, it's early. So also this low has that been hidden? Not yet. I really think if this trade will play out, it will first take this internal high before. I don't think I should have gone break even. Oh no. Oh no, man. Is it okay if I do something like this, like trail my stop, like on the possible 5-minute gap like that? I don't know. Probably it's doable, and if it takes this, then it will go break even. I'll do that. Yeah, like I expected. Now it's there. Now it's actually logical to go break even. Oh hell no! What the fuck, boy? Boy, what the fuck? Man, what the fuck is this bullshit? What the fuck is this bullshit? How far away? Like 3 points. Dude. Man, what the fuck? This ain't. Man. It's an unfortunate break even. I mean, but it still. The draw was correct. I was just break even. It retraced this 5-minute and gave nice displacement also back down. So, what can I say? It's kind of weird price action. Overall, if I would have taken this one, let's see, it probably would have been the 5-minute close for the other entry. So that's around. Oh, that ain't even there. What the fuck? Here? Yeah, so at that. And I really don't think this is a good stop loss. Yeah, I don't think I would have gotten that clean of an entry even here. But yeah, did I journal this already? What the fuck? Is this 17th? Yeah, that's right. Boom. Next clip. Yeah. So we filled the new week opening gap. No, new day opening gap. Now we're literally just trending higher and higher. All the thing that I'm interested in. Yeah, one thing I'm interested in is longs. Or longs. So we have retraced to hourly to an hourly gap and also tap the hourly gap below, also their 15 minutes, also there once. If I can get very clean displacement up, boom. Maybe the 5-minute closure. Oh hell no. That ain't enough. Alright, what are we doing? Holy moly. Now this displacement, let's see, where did it retrace? No, where did it? I don't know. I really like this flip on the 1 minute, like these candles. They're not news. I don't know if there will be like in 10 minutes, but if there would be, I would be out like 3 minutes before the news drop. I really think this is a safe stop loss. Really honestly, from my market like experience that I've learned this week is that I really easily could just wait for this candle to close and enter if the next candle like retraces even a little bit and enter there. So I'm going to try to do that, kind of like this. Wait one more second, couple more seconds. It has retraced. I would get a better feel here. Oh, what the fuck? It already skipped a minute. I just wanted it to skip a second. Anyways, I got lucky, but yeah, here's my feel. It would be at this candle somewhere already, but I'll just put it here and have the same draws. It will up my RR like much more comfortable, and also give me a safer stop loss that I can, put a. I have more leverage to put a bigger stop loss. So I'm going to take this. Break even on the internal and let's see what happens. Yeah, break even. This is probably going to hit break even or not. Now this that's just all down was basically guaranteed to hit. Boom, simple easy trade. Yeah, I had a safe stop loss. I entered from displacement. But what's here news? That's the thing. That's the thing. I will probably have to look back at every single trade when I do, and also look back at the Forex Factory to see if there was trades when I entered. And I will just delete those trades from my journal because I wouldn't take them realistically. And even though today I made kind of a mistake, but it's all right. This is nice having, breaks with backtesting after a trade, and there's no need to rush it. If you take your time, clear your mind more, it'll be way less more stressful to trade. It definitely takes a longer time, but I think it's more high quality. What the fuck? Yeah, boom. Still the same exact thing, except we're ranging here, but now we're displacing back up. We're respecting these gaps still, disrespecting these and these gaps. So, and also this leg up just says that it's just saying too long. Short here. I mean, yeah, if we displace very, very high volume, I guess that's the draw. But at the moment, just long, 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 long and long and long. Long if you have a big long. Retracing. Wiki price action. Did it retrace to some sort of 15-minute gap? Perhaps. And after the 15-minute gap, now it's giving nice displacement here, but the draw is pretty far away. There's also this high, but I don't think that's the main draw. If I'd enter here, wait, let's see, let's think about it. 15-minute gap, 5-minute gap, those are clean. 1 hour indicating up, it just retracing to the imbalance, and then it is, wait, yeah, it respected it here and here, yeah, and now it is displacing pretty high volume, so I'd say it's safe to enter even here, like right after the candle closure. Stop loss to a safe place. This is a bigger RR, almost 1 to 2. Break even here, and now I need to very carefully manage this trade. Let's see. What the fuck is this? Man, FX replay, come on. Yeah, so 1 minute looks like this. 30 seconds looks like it's retracing to a gap. It hasn't hit the internal high yet. Just going to hold. Good movement. Next candle probably should be break even. It is not. Well, there's also 1 minute gap down there, so I'm just going to hold. Into the 1 minute gap. Next candle should be break even. Or not. Honestly, after this 48 candles just being 5 minute got this. I mean, the 5 minute got disrespected, but this choppiness is not it. At this point, I'd like to be break even, to be honest, because this is not something you want to be trading. Alright, we got lucky there with this one. We're very lucky that it didn't get break even there. But now it took this draw. I really want to start trailing, but this type of price action probably will go back down here and go up. So I'm just going to hold break even. If we close up here, then I'm definitely trading hardly. Okay, more. It seems it can retrace to that. I'm really over analyzing everything. I know. All right, at this point, just just go to the draw. At this point, or at this point, just go to the. How much am I? I'm 1.4 hour in profit. If you see a trade like this and your strategy is not high RR and you're actually in profit, I think you should just take the profit at this point, because there's after this whole price action, there's a pretty high chance that it maybe edges it, because lately price has been doing that a lot, or just very aggressively trade your stop loss to like a 1-to-1, so you're at least happy with that. To be 1-to-1 with here's a 1-to-1, but alright, I'm trading there. I don't care, I'm trading here. I'll just take the profits happily. Okay, so did it take the which one did it go first? Let's go to 5-second time frame. Where was my? It's probably over here or over here. Here, let's go to the 5-second. I really don't know. Well, we can see from here to which one did it go. This is 1 to 1.8. Yeah, it went to the final take profit. It really don't matter that much, but did it save it? Oh, it did. And now let's take a little food break. Gotta get those calories in. This is awkward, the price action, like high time frame. Still near all-time highs, literally what I just want are longs, still mostly. I mean, we're not literally at all-time highs, Like for example, if we respect this one hour gap, then we could easily start to go down here. So we would have to see about that. Really honestly, I'm just on the 5 minute for now. Okay, now really good displacement. I mean, if we look at this all-time highs, retracing aftermarket open, we displace very fucking clean. We just need a trade where there's a safe stop loss. What would a safe stop loss be? I'd say here. And also, I would need to get a good RR. So if I take here, it will be a 1-to-1. Yeah, it's alright, they were 1-to-1. So I'm gonna take this. I'm having really many trades. Wait the fuck up. Where the fuck do I go break even at? I guess here. Yeah. Or the one before. Yeah. I guess I'll go there. I mean, we took now this internal. Yeah, I think I'm holding still until this gets hit to go break even, because it'll be very sure that it will go break even if I go now. Holy fuck. We retraced to this 5 minute. What the fuck is this? We retraced to the 5 minute gap. Okay. If we'll get here, I'll go break even still. That's where I go break even. Don't like that. Don't like how we rejected this internal high. Low key at this point. Break even whenever I just can. Whenever I can. Where I could have. Almost there. Okay, now I can. So I'll go break even. Yeah, now that's a break even. It's alright. I'm pretty sure the draw is high probability. There's a high probability that the draw is correct, but this price action, well, not actually in this price action, maybe not, because it's not showing clear signals to that. Well, it was correct. Alright, yeah. When I take trades like immediately after 5 minutes, I really don't like wait for a lower time frame reaches and enter only there. Like for example, if I took the trade after the reaches, waited for some kind sort of reaches to that 5 minute gap, then see this displays of maybe oh, to the 1 minute. This displacement or the like, is this a 5 minute close? Yeah, on the 5 minute closure, possibly. Yeah, on the 5 minute closure, and just take a trade like this. First of all, I would get a higher RR. I would have a good safe stop loss place. I would have a good space for a stop loss, and it wouldn't break even me so easily. I mean, there would be a logical place to just to put the stop loss to. But yeah, sometimes if you don't take these entries also, they just run. They just run to the draw, so it's complicated. Now some food. I do not like this. Like, what the fuck is this? Probably some bank holiday. 23rd September. Oh, there's Powell will speak. So that's why it's probably like accumulating before that. All right, well, still can trade. I really don't want to trade this. Right, wants to go down. If it goes down here and displaces greatly, it would be all right. That's today. That's a pretty clear day of no trades. Like it was very easy to spot that there probably won't be any trades. Let's see if this wants to hold, because there's always all-time highs. Oh wait, yeah, this was Powell speaking. That guy, Powell. We have Asia, which is an okay low. So we'll have to see. Now that's like pretty same type of trade that the last trade was. But now is the thing, if it just retraces and goes like that, I will have a very much better chance of having a better trade. Like, what the fuck is it? Uh, that I would have a great feel. Now on the 1 minute, it's looking like it will retrace. Like, this is only 30 points. I will not have a safe stop loss over here, so can't take it. Cannot take it. But it's pretty clear that it wants to go to that age low. So now I can do this thing. Where would my safe stop loss be? Let's think. Oh, it's there. Really honestly, so if price will go here, I'll take it. Now I really need to make sure that it doesn't skip 1 minute if I press the button. Yeah, it didn't skip 1 minute. Right there I am filled. Break even on the internal. Don't you dare break even me here. This is not like I don't want to be in this trade hypothetically, but it's break even, so it don't matter that much. Well, yeah, I guess if you're break even, just probably should hold because you don't have that much to lose if the draw is correct. And that was the scenario of this trade. It's an okay trade, I'd say. I really don't. I mean, I entered off a retracement, but it was on the lower time frames. The trade was based off the 5 minute closure, so I just wanted a good feel on the 1 minute, like for into a gap. So I think that's great to take the trade off of that. But I was talking with my friend, and he had a strategy where there was no like kind of confirmation after the retracement or something where to enter. And if you this trade has it, but it's on the higher time frames, and the entry just needed to be on the higher time, low, lower time frame trade. Fucking hell. I mean, just the last video when I traded, you can see, I don't know, maybe the month was bad, but you can see I took a loss. I think it wasn't even that good of a trade because I wasn't in the mind to take a trade, but now I'm taking it easy. Now I'm not stressing about it, and now it's going better. Like, I don't know, but how much have I done this? 37 minutes. I have done like one. Wait, I have done like 1 week in 37 minutes. That's pretty slow, but it's okay. There's no hurry. Harry Potter into a daily gap. Maybe there's a weekly gap. Well, that's way down there. I mean, it is the next draw, but it's not even the gap. Right, this is looking very cleanly bearish here. There's no draw to target. We're in an imbalance at the moment, so there could be a reversal for higher time frames to catch on the lower time frame, but that ain't so probable. And now the next uh, low, wasn't this like the Powell speaking, or was it this? I don't know. I don't remember. But I guess we'll have this as a drop if it wants to reverse. But this is probably a no trade day unless we dump like crazy. Yeah, no trade day. It looked very clean, everything, but there was just no draw. That was close. No good draw. Four-hour don't work. Epstein, fuck. Alright, alright. So it respected this gap for now. For this moment, it has respected it. But we'll need to see if it wants to keep respecting it. Now it's respecting this for. We'll need to see if it wants to respect that or not. And then there is boom and shaboom. That's pretty. Yeah, that's data lows, but it's not a low that stands out. I think it's a good draw then. This 50-minute is still being respected. Also, this 5-minute is still being respected. So there's not a confirmation yet or on where do we want to go. So I'll just skip for the next 5. We retrace to this micro gap, very small gap, and we sweep some lows also. So let's see. Now there's this would be the next logical high, but we would need to see some good confirmation. I mean, this like 50.1-minute candle, I think that's pretty confirming. It's retracing the hourly somewhat bullish. This flip is pretty. It is like manipulation, just retrace also as a retrace and displacement. So also 5-minute closure. So I think I'm going to. I think I can enter this. The stop loss is tricky with this one. I'd imagine like in the middle of this candle, like in the middle of the candle's body, would be alright. Because it definitely needs some space. And then break even on the internal. Place order. Let's see what happens. Retraces. Oof. Now it's at the moment that I don't want to be in this trade. Yeah, it has been already for 10 minutes here. Just done this. I really want to get out of this position ASAP. So let's see if I can get a break even place here. That's a break even. Then it will stop me up pretty guaranteed. So yeah, it's a break even. I do not want to be holding this. Yeah, like what the fuck is this? This was nice, but yeah, it is a handled break even. Goodly managed break even. All right. This is nice. I'm not in a hurry. to do anything. Like when I traded live today, I felt like I was really like um, I wasn't relaxed. And I should have been more relaxed. Um, Fucking hell. Yeah, respect that this daily. Have we taken this high? No, we haven't taken that high. We edged the high. Maybe we will want to retrace to this gap. Maybe it's a low here also. Yeah, it's a okay target still. I'll have my two closest targets already. Pretty strong displacement down to the draw. Now if we can find something like boom, 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 it would be a nice lower time frame trade. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, I don't like any of this. It didn't retrace to there. We're expecting this 1 hour. I don't want to take anything here. Alright. That high gets taken. Then there's all-time highs, the next high. So probably going to retrace to that 4 hour or to this new about to be formed 4 hour. So we'll have to see about that. There's a new gap. So either to these 4 hour gaps or to all-time highs. Looking pretty simple. Also, there's this, well, this 5 minute gap literally tells it to where we want to go. So we're expecting the other gap at the moment. So yeah, maybe we can get some sort of trade or not. Oh, what is okay? 15 minute gap. Boom. All-time highs are close. 15 minute gap. Boom. Also, liquidity sweep of this 5 minute gap. Boom. All-time highs. Boom. Internal high. Boom. Displacement. Boom. I think it's all I need. I think this is all I need. Where's your sword? Thorfinn? Don't need it. Boom. Nice fill break even here. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, hold, hold, hold. Don't like it. Just still can't do anything. I'll have to hold. I want to go break even if I can. Anywhere here, if it goes to break even, I will have like ready my finger on the if it gets anywhere close to zero. So I'll just keep on the 1 minute. But if price goes there, I will click it. So it will be a break even. But let's see what happens. Probably not. Holy fuck! What the fuck is this? That's there. All right. Interesting. Interesting. All right. Yeah. I'll look at it a little bit more. Okay. There are already things that I don't like about this. Is this 5 minute? Also the 1 minute over here. All this. Don't like it. But 15 minute, it's a gap. And this displacement really nice. So, and the draw, I mean, based off this displacement, it would be pretty sure that it will take this internal high. Let's see where overall market wanted to go. It wanted to go down to this 4 hour. Alright. This is a trade where I would need some sort of teacher to tell me their opinions about it. I don't have that, so I'll just have to look at my own data and learn from that. I mean, literally after entering this, after these 7-5 candles doing absolutely nothing and not getting a continuation here, it is an indicator that you want to get out of the trade. We didn't have the possibility to do that at break even. I'm not sure if it's smart to try to aim for like almost break even, so a little small loss. Probably it would be if you have the chance, because there's always, like, if you see this, just take a little loss for like, it only would be like, how much of a, how little of a loss, like 0.1 R or something like 0.1 R only. I think it would be, wait, how much that? It's like $100 or something to for a 100k final account. Mm-hmm. So for live trading a lifetime, probably could be a smart idea to get out almost at break even, but milk. Milk. But yeah, those are my thoughts after this. I really think still that it's a good setup. Just the things that happened after the entry. Um, I could have managed it possibly safer, but also if I manage it safer, it would mean that there will be less chances of winning, but more chances of not losing. So, kind of a mindset question or an opinion question. Do you want to be uh, on risk or off risk? Like, I think it's a nice trade. Nice displacement. Did it? Yeah. So we got another loss of the month. It's almost on the last day. I don't think that would have been that much avoidable. Only that to get like close of break even. I don't remember this trade and I don't want to look at it now. But I'm not sure if it was a good trade. Also, even this one, because yesterday I wasn't that alright with doing this. But they were okay results for this session here. And yeah, we'll go to the last day. Then I can finally get off. Last day. Let's see what it brings. I think I want to play Rocket League today. Today is a Rocket League day. That's right. Rocket League is calling. I don't know, my brain is okay. Expecting this 4 hour. Also 1 hour switch to kind of bearishness. This is trading in a what was it? In a how can I forget the word? In a range. In a range. I don't like that. So pretty much I'll have to do this. Boom, and then I go 5 minutes. Boom. Then I'll say something like this. Yeah, there's nothing. Boom, 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 boom. No trades. That was an easy day. Easy day just to not take anything. Alright, so that's the final day. Results for September. I don't think they're that good. I mean, I'm up only. Those are 3 hour, 4 hour. I'm only up 2 hour this month. And I'm sure when I make my strategy more like sharp and more disciplined, like more, what is it, more picky of the trades, I will avoid more of the losses and there would be better results. But I'm glad for now that it's like this for my data. It's relatively looking still good for this whole thing. Let's look at the analytics. Still almost have a 70% win rate. So these are consistent profits that I'm seeing. These are really consistent profits. They are, I don't know, but yeah, it's okay. 17% or 17R. If a live account you risk like 2% or 3% at trade, let's say 3%, 3 times 17, that would be 50% for this whole uh, like time that I have demonstrated. I backtested, but if I get make it even more better, there will be more RR that I want because I will cut out the losses. When I cut out the losses, there will be mostly wins, so better. Okay, I have yapped for a very long time already. What the your rewind is here? What the fuck is this? Overall win rate 62. Alright, Toyota NQ replayed to 8 months. No, I have more, but this is just for I have deleted sessions. Your total profit, okay. You brought 18 winning trades. I think there's some more. New York. What the fuck is this? Alright, thank you. How can I get out? Mm, how can I get out? I don't know. Well, like this, I can see the. Yeah, here it is. 74 trades. Like, I think 15 of these are from this place where I retake my live trades. So I have like a journal of them there, and others are from this only 100 days. Only 100 days. And this and I know this is like I haven't taken anything there. I have 7 days and 50 minutes in this whole shit. What the fuck? 8 years, 6 months. Holy moly. Holy moly. What I mean, I'm on a streak. I literally took a couple days ago none of backtesting. Well, I guess that's it. This this is a really boring video, but it's good for me that I have this documented for me. Yeah. See you. Bye.